Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, June the 24th, 2022. We have three puzzles left. I've already done one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, seems to be at 2 stars. And we have a 4 star Sudoku left, the tectonic and the binary. It's time for the Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. We will see. Because for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And this will be number 4750. 4750. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 4 stars has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So let's get started. And let me scan the puzzle then. We have 3 ones. We have 2 twos, 2 threes, 4 fours. All right. 4 fours, 2 fives, 1 6, 3 sevens, 1 8, and 4 nines. All right. So the 4 and the 9s are a majority. All right. Well, 5 nines actually. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or 9. Here or there. We see here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright, how about the 4 then? 4. Yeah, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 4. Well. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 2. 2. Yeah, the 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 and there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. I'm scanning. 3. 3, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So last column, no need to place left for the 5, should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5. Cannot continue with 5. Well, then 8 and 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, I think this box should be a 2. We have 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left in the middle row for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. So 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, okay. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Okay. Then 2, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, and look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 2. Alright. Okay. 5, 1, 6. Let me see. The 7 in the third row, the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box gave me 7 more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. All right. Okay. Well, we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 3 in the last column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be 6. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. All right. Okay. And then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then yeah. Well. Now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 and 8. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. Alright, that means in this column we have 3 missing numbers in this column, the third column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, here cannot be an 8 because we have a double 8 in this row. So here cannot be an 8. So the 8 could be here or there in the third column. Here or there. We see another 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, here same 1 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet, but 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so no row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be an 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 5. Okay. Two numbers left in the first column for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and the 3 are missing in the first column. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. But is this really a 4 stars? Well, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. No. 4 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary puzzle and a tectonic. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.